Hello guys, how to fix Microsoft Excel error? You need to sign in with an account associated on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And such type of Microsoft Office, Microsoft Excel error you will face. Then to fix this issue, launch Microsoft Excel. First, go to File option from the top left corner. Here go to More option and choose Account. Here you will find the option Microsoft Office Home Assistant, Microsoft 365 and Office online update option. Choose update option and click on update now, and let the window complete the Microsoft Office updating process, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search, type Windows security, open Windows security. Here go to virus and threat protection and go to manage settings under virus and threat protection settings, and cloud delivered protection. Turn it off once and again re-enable cloud delivered protection settings. Check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to run command box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key. Here type appwiz.cpl. It will open program and features windows in control panel. Here go to Microsoft Office. Select it and choose the option change from the top menu bar. And how would you like to repair your Microsoft 365 and Office programs? Choose online repair and click on repair. In another window ready to start an online repair, click on repair. And after that, restart your system. Your problem will definitely resolve.